This is a Turtleman video, and today I'm going to show you how to format and shrink a hard drive using Windows 10. So what you want to do, scroll down to your Start menu, and instead of trying to navigate through here, what we're going to do is right click on your Start menu and scroll up to where it says Disk Management. This also works in Windows 8.1. And as you see, we now have a unpartitioned hard drive, which is black. So click on it to select it, and then right click, New Simple Volume. And this is identical for Windows 7 and Windows 8.1. And we'll just leave it set default. But instead of selecting a drive letter this time, I'm going to mount it to an Ntfs folder. So click Browse to where you have where you want to mount the folder. In this case, I want to create a new folder, and I'll name it Wind Blows. And I'll click on it just to make sure the name takes, and click OK. As you see, there's your location, and click Next. And I'll leave everything as default, and I'll give it a new name, Win 10. And make sure to perform a quick format selected, and let's click Next, and there's all your options, and click Finish. Now when you mount it to a folder, it's a similar concept as what Linux uses when you mount the hard drives there. So we'll open up File Explorer and open up the C drive, and you'll see the Wind Blows folder there. And as you can see, it's 1 gig in size. You can click on it, it's empty. Now what we'll do is I'm going to shrink this volume. So click on it again and right click, scroll down to Shrink Volume, and I'll leave it set to default 770 megs. Click Shrink, and now you have 2 partitions on 1 hard drive. So now we will select the new partition, click New Volume, click Next, and you notice it's set to 769 megs instead of 771. It's because Windows needs to leave some of it unpartitioned. And this time I'm going to select a drive letter, which will be drive E, and I'll leave everything set as default. Click Next, click Finish, and there's your new partition. And as you can see, it now has a drive letter E. So when you open up File Explorer, scroll down, there's your new hard drive. And if you go back to drive C, you notice that the folders you created earlier is now also smaller to reflect the partition split. So this has been a Turtleman production. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.